managing hundreds of people just to get one client? Imagine if AI could find high-ticket clients for you, learn everything about them, and even send personalized emails, all while you sleep. Sounds crazy? Let me introduce you to Aigency Valet, the ultimate AI tool that's changing the game for freelancers, agency owners, and solopreneurs. Client hunting is the toughest part of any service-based business. You spend hours prospecting, writing outreach messages, pitching your services. And most of the time, people don't even reply. You're not alone. Most freelancers give up because they don't know how to consistently find leads. That's where Aigency Valet becomes your secret weapon. This cloud-based AI tool does everything for you. Finds leads in any city or niche, extracts their name, email, phone, address, even social profiles. Then, it researches each lead, understands their business, and writes high-converting outreach emails automatically. You just hit send. Here's how simple it is. Enter a niche and location. Example, realtors in Delhi or doctors in Mumbai. AI scans and gives you 30 to 100 plus real leads per search. It audits their online presence, website, SEO, speed, design, etc. Then it tells you what's broken and how you can help. Finally, it writes a personalized message so you can pitch the exact solution they need. You can offer web design, SEO, video editing, ad services, coaching, or even resell the leads. You also get lifetime access with one-time payment, AI that learns about your services and adapts accordingly, regular updates so you're never behind the curve. Whether you're a beginner or pro, Aigency Valet help. Ready to scale your agency with AI? Tap the link in the description to watch the demo, grab lifetime access, and start closing high-ticket clients on autopilot. Don't wait. The earlier you start, the faster you grow. This is your shortcut to agency success in 2025. You close $500, $1,000 plus clients hands-free. No need for a sales team, no coding, no cold calls, just smart automation, data, and proven conversion tools. It's like hiring a full-time marketing team. For a fraction of the cost.